today we'll talk about daily chores. I can't wait. How about you?
Tom, I'm gonna start vacuuming the living room. Maybe we should vacuum the bedroom carpet too.
Sure, Anna. After I finish the living room, I'll move to the bedroom.
The kitchen floors are really dirty. Time to mop.
All right, I'll mop the bathroom floor in the meantime.
I need to dust the shelves in the living room.
I'll take care of the dust on the bedroom shelves.
I'm gathering the laundry. Do you have any dirty clothes to add?
Yes, my shirts from yesterday are in the laundry basket.
The washing machine is done. I'll hang the laundry on the balcony.
I'll help you, and then I'll start the second load of laundry.
The dishes from lunch need washing.
You can make yourself a coffee in the meantime. I'll handle it.
The trash has piled up. It needs to be taken out.
Is there anything else to take out? I'll do it right now.
The bathroom needs a thorough cleaning.
Let's start with the sink, and I'll take care of the bathtub.
How about organizing the kitchen cabinets?
Great idea. I'll start with the glasses cabinet.
The windows are dirty. Time to wash them. I'll get the sponge and window cleaner. Let's get started.